Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create AI videos using Fliki. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process, from logging in to downloading your final video. Let's begin. Go to Fliki AI in your browser. On the home page, click on Login at the top right. Now choose how you want to log in. Click on Continue with Google. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Fliki dashboard. Click on the script option from the top menu. Paste your video script in the text box provided. Now click on the Next button. Choose your video aspect ratio. You can select from 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or 16:9 landscape. Keep 16:9 landscape selected. Click on Skip to move to the customization section. Now choose your language and dialect. Under the customization options, click on Stock Media. Then select your preferred voiceover. Once done, click on the Submit button. Your video will start processing. After a few seconds, the preview of your video will appear.
Looking simple and natural way to boost your health? Try herbal tea. Herbal tea is more than just a warm drink. It's a blend of nature's finest ingredients like dried flowers, herbs, spices, and fruits.
Click on Download. Choose the resolution for your video. You can pick from 1080p, 720p, 480p, or 360p. Select 720p resolution. Keep the video format as MP4. Now hit the Start Export button. Once the export is complete, click on Download to save the video to your computer. And that's it. Your AI video is now ready.
Are you looking for a simple and natural way to boost your health? Try herbal tea. Herbal tea is more than just a warm drink. It's a blend of nature's finest ingredients, like dried flowers, herbs, spices, and fruits. Let's look at some amazing benefits of drinking herbal tea. First, it boosts immunity. Herbal teas like ginger, tulsi, and echinacea are rich in antioxidants that help fight infections and support your immune system. Second, it improves digestion. Peppermint and chamomile tea can soothe the stomach, relieve bloating, and aid digestion after meals. Third, it reduces stress and anxiety. Lavender, lemon balm, and chamomile teas have calming effects that help you relax and sleep better. Fourth, it supports weight loss. Some herbal teas, like hibiscus and green tea blends, can help in managing weight by boosting metabolism and reducing appetite. Fifth, it detoxifies the body. Herbal teas with ingredients like dandelion, lemongrass, and fennel help flush out toxins and cleanse the liver. And finally, it hydrates your body. Unlike coffee or sugary drinks, herbal tea keeps you hydrated without any caffeine crash. So next time you need a break, skip the soda and reach for a cup of herbal tea. Your body will thank you.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Link to Fliki is given in the description below. Thanks for watching.